Sairam, dear children, welcome to maths class. Today we are going to learn the same lesson. Before starting the class, we will do Omkaram 3 times. Get ready for Omkaram. Om. 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 Sai Ram children. Today we will continue the same lesson. That is, what was the name of the lesson? X and marks, isn't it? So let me to take the textbook. Is it visible, children?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Okay. We will learn it from the textbook. Okay. Sunaina and Jaspreet, they are friends, brought different vessels from the kitchen. They had a jug. This one is jug, a glass, a mug, a pot, and a bowl. They filled each of these with a cup. We can see here a tea cup. So, what are the vessels here? Jug, mug, glass, pot, and a bowl. Okay. So, these children are going to fill all these vessels using the same cup. We can see here a tea cup. Okay. Now, what is the question? Guess which vessel holds the least water, means less capacity. Which one will be the answer? Least. So this may be the bowl, isn't it, children? Now, yeah, very good, very good. Which vessel holds the most water? Means it can hold the most water. Capacity is greater. Okay, latest one. Which one? See the size of these vessels. Jug, mug, glass, bowl, and pot. Yes, we can see here the pot. So this is the vessel that holds the most water. This one is the vessel that holds the least water. Okay, children. Now you collect different vessels from your kitchen. You can also do the same activity. Okay, children? Use the same cup to fill each of them. So you can also collect different vessels from your kitchen and use the same cup to fill all the vessels. Now you can count the number of cups of water each of them can hold. So first you just and then do it. See the vessel you used. You can draw the picture or you can write the name here. Okay. One ball is here. Then you can write or draw the picture here. Okay. And we have to write the cups of water to fill it. How many cups? 3, 2, 4. Any answer you get. Okay. So you have to write the different name of different vessels here and also the number of cups of water to fill them. Is it clear? Can you do this activity, children?
Yes, ma'am.
Very good. Now, next one. See, we can see different vessels here, isn't it? What we have to do? Ring the one which holds more water. Ring means you have to make a circle around it. Okay. Which holds more water. See, in the first question, two vessels are here. So which one can hold more water? This one, mug, or this one, bucket?
Bucket, ma'am.
Yes, so we have to make a circle around it. Second question. See here, cup and saucer. Which one can hold more water? Yes, this one. So we have to encircle this teacup. Okay. Now two pots are here. Which one can hold more water? Children, this one or this one? Yes, this one. So you have to encircle this one. Now here also two pots are given. So tell me which one, first or second? Yes, it is second. So you
Second.
have to encircle this one. So these encircled vessels can hold more water. Okay. Now next one. See, next page. What is written? Rani and the milkman. See, we can see one girl he is standing near the door. She is Rani and the milkman here. Okay. The pots are here to carry milk, isn't it? He comes to Rani's house using a bicycle. Okay. So this is milkman and this is Rani. Anil is a milkman. So his name is Anil. He gives the same amount of milk at Rani's house every day. He uses a mug three times to fill Rani's milk pot. This one is the milk pot. Every day she used to carry what? Milk. So what is Anil doing? Anil uses a mug and he used three times to pour milk to the pot to fill it completely. Okay. Now, what happened? One day, Rani's mother gave her a different pot. See, the shape is also different, size is also different, isn't it? To take milk every day, Rani's pot is like this one, isn't it? Would fill to the top. But today Rani found that this pot was not filled completely. So what did she say? Oh, today Anil has given me less milk. What did she say? Today Anil has given me less milk. Do you think Anil has given Rani less milk? Children, yes or no?
No, ma'am.
No, yeah, because these two pots have different capacity. This pot can hold more, So this is the larger one, bigger one. So its capacity is greater. So we have to help her. So what we will tell her? How can tell her what is the reason? Because this pot is bigger than this one. This can hold more milk. That is why the shape is different. Size is also different. So we can help her like this way. Okay, children. Now, how much milk does your mother buy every day? You ask your mother that how much milk does your mother does your mother buy in your house. Okay, children, you can ask your mother. Now try yourself. You can yourself. Okay, take 5 different types of big vessels from your kitchen. Take different types of 5 vessels. Okay, fill all of them one by one with one jug full of water. You are taking big vessels, so you can use one jug to fill water. Okay, what do you sorry, fill all of them one by one with one jug full of water. Okay, so if you have taken one pot, steel pot, and one kadai like that, and same quantity of water you have to pour in all 5 vessels. Okay, so you can do it. Use the same jug. One jug full water you have to pour in all 5 different vessels, and you have to see what do you see and why. You can see the difference and you can write or what? Yes, what is the difference? Why it happened? Okay, children, talk to your friends when you come to school, okay, about it. Now we are going to another worksheet for you, okay? Let me take the worksheet. Yes, it is here. Now, what is written here? Chapter number 7, Jackson marks. First question is circle the one which holds more water. Yes. Which one? This one? Children, is it visible? Worksheet is visible, children?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Yes,
Okay.
ma'am.
Okay.
Visible.
Okay. So, very good. Now, so which one more, holds more water? Yes, this one. So you have to make a circle around it. No. Like this way, you can make a circle. Okay. Now, color the one which holds less water. So look at the size of these two vessels. This is bigger one, this is smaller one. So naturally, what will be the answer? This one. So you have to color this pot. Okay. You can choose any color. Okay. Now, take the one which holds more water. You have to put tick mark like this. Put tick mark. Okay. Which holds more water? This one or this one? First or second pot?
Second.
Yes, this one. So second. So we have to put a tick mark here. Do you understand, children? So this is about the this is about the worksheet of Jackson marks. Then we are going to do some revision. Okay. See, already we have learned about comparison of numbers by putting greater than, less than, or is equal to sign. Isn't it, children? We know how to check whether first number is bigger or smaller, and how can we put the sign. We know it, isn't it? So we here for first question is 48 dash and 25. So which is the greater number? Sorry, the 48 is greater or smaller number? It is a greater number. So which sign will we have to put here? Greater than sign, isn't it? So we will put here what sign? Greater than sign, isn't it? This one. Okay. Now, then you can do this also. Now, 29 and 29. If both the numbers are same, so we have to put which sign, children?
Equal.
Yes. Equal. Very good. Very good. You are remembering everything. Good. Good. Now, here you can do 15 and 51. With 15 is smaller or greater, you check it and you can put the sign. Okay, same you can do. These three questions are for you. You can do yourself. Now, problem solving questions. Only one question I have given. This is a revision. Okay. Anish has 12 coins. Nazim has 8 coins. How many coins do they have in all? So, how many coins does Anish have? He has 12 coins. So, we will write here 12 coins. And Nazim has 8 coins. Below 12, we will write 8 coins. And after that, we will do what is the sign for this question? Yes, it is for addition. So we have to give the sign plus sign. Okay. Don't forget to put the sign. Okay, children. So you will get an answer. Then you will write a statement also. I think all of you can do yourself. Isn't it, children? You have
Yes,
already
ma'am.
done. Okay. So today we are going to stop the class. We will do Shanti part. Okay, children? Shanti, Shanti, Shanti. Sai Ram, children. Take care. Bye bye. We will meet next day. Okay, children. Bye.